In this video, let's implement linked list class third example, that is how to remove elements from the linked list. Let me switch to the Eclipse IDE. Let's create this example. Let's go ahead and let's create a new class, and let's give class name as remove elements from linked list example, something like that, and choose public static void main and hit finish. Yeah, here we go. Now let me quickly write the comments what examples I am going to demonstrate. So we'll see how to remove first element in a linked list, how to remove last element in a linked list, and how to remove the first occurrence of a given element in the linked list, and how to clear the linked list completely. For that, let's go ahead and let's call linked list and pass string as type, and this is brute list, and then call new linked list. Okay, great. Now let me quickly add few fruits to the fruits list. So look at here, I have added apple, banana, mango, pineapple fruits to the fruit list, and I have printed fruit list to the console. Let me run the program and you will be able to see all the elements are printed to the console. Now let's see how to remove first element in the linked list. Let me quickly write the comment here. Remove first element in a linked list. So let's go ahead and let's create a string variable and let's call it as element, and then this is fruit list, and then call remove first. So look at here, remove first method is present in dequeue interface, and this method removes and returns the first element from the current list. Okay, now I am going to print the list. So after removing first element, let's see how our list looks like. Okay, let's go ahead and let's run the program, and here you can able to see after removing first element you can able to see only banana, mango, pineapple. Okay, great. Now let's see how to remove the last element in a linked list. Let me write the comment remove last element in a linked list, and let's go ahead and let's call the method remove last method. Okay, so this method removes and returns the last element from this list, and this method again present in a dequeue interface. Okay guys, and let me print the list after removing last element. After removing last element, we can able to see banana and mango in the console. Okay, apple and pineapple, these two elements are removed from the fruit list using remove first and remove last methods. Okay guys, now we're gonna use a remove method to remove first occurrence of a given element in a linked list. Let's go ahead and let's call fruit list object. Let's call remove method remove and just pass the index. So here you can see we have two overloaded methods. So first method is present in a list and second method is also present in a list. So first method you can use to pass the index, second method you can use to directly pass element name. So I'm going to use second one, and I'm going to pass the name of the element like banana. So I'm going to remove banana element from the list, and then let's go ahead and let's print the list to the console. And if you run the program, and you will be able to see mango is printed in a console. So we have removed apple, banana, pineapple, only mango is left in the list. That's why mango is printed in a console. Now let's see how to clear the linked list completely. So we can use clear method, right? We can use a clear method to clear the list, and clear method is present in a list, okay, list interface. So we can go ahead and we can call the clear method. So after cleaning a linked list, we can just check if there are any elements. This should be empty. If you run the program and you'll be able to see the square brackets here, it means that linked list is cleared. Okay, we can use clear method to clear linked list completely. Alright guys, so these are the few methods like remove first, remove last, and remove and clear. So these are the few methods that you can use to remove elements from the linked list. Alright guys, thanks for watching. In next video we'll see few more example of linked list class.